Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado off-road trailer. This is one of our awesome 7x18 bronze off-road trailers. These are set up to be true off-road units for you guys, as they give you about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. They're insulated, power, AC, windows, a whole lot of goodies we're going to go through. You guys can view all of our inventory always at getmytrailer.com or shoot us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. This one again is in our 7x18, does have a 7-foot interior height, so these are great for UTVs and side-by-sides. This is a thicker aluminum skin in the bronze with the Blackout package. You have the diamond plate rock guard, front generator box and platform. You also have the side swivel jack, removable front coupler. This one's stock number 15757. This unit has a side door with the RV lock and cam bar as well. Exterior GFI outlet, that's what that little box is that you guys see. Couple of exterior party lights, so you'll have some load light. You also have a step off that side door. And again, these sit up tall. This trailer measures over 10 feet in total height, and you guys can see you do have a ton of ground clearance with these units as well. This one's got two 5,200-pound torsion axles on it, so you've got a heavier duty axle, black American racing wheels, 32-inch mud terrain tires. This one also has side vents, and then you also have drop-down stabilizer jacks for that extra stability back there. Now you also have the exterior roof rack and ladder, good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, so good for kayaks and canoes, that sort of thing. You also have load lights off the back, rear ramp door, of course, so you can load and unload your toys. And then this also has the rear porch option on it, so you guys can use this as a ramp or put down your stabilizer jacks and have a rear deck and some more exterior living space. Here's a good shot of this side of the trailer. You guys can see too, this is a perfect example with the sun. The thicker aluminum skin doesn't wrinkle up anywhere near like what that thinner aluminum does. So you guys can see it's super straight in the shade. This side has had the sun beating on it for a couple hours and it still looks really good. Nothing like what you're gonna find with that thinner aluminum skin. So awesome feature there. 7-foot interior height, again, insulated walls and ceiling. Aluminum wall and ceiling liner, so it's all finished out nice and clean. Our performance Nudo floor with dry maxx. This is one of the most durable floors in the industry, which is why we use it. It is a great floor. And you also have a couple of windows in here. These are our bigger 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, they're lockable. You also have 6 interior puck lights. So that's these little guys up here we're talking about. And these puck lights, as well as your load lights here off the back and the party lights off the side, all are going to be ran by your battery box and battery charger. So what that means for you guys as consumers, you don't have to be plugged into a vehicle. You don't have to have your generator on to have light on the inside and outside of your trailers. So great feature there. You also have your 30 amp service with a detachable cord, as you have that twist lock plug on the front. That's going to bring power in and power up your 4-foot LEDs. So you've got 2 of these guys across the ceiling as well. So you have a lot of light in here if needed. And of course you can control everything by switches right there. You also have the overhead maxx air roof vent. It has a bubble cover over it, so you don't have to worry about it leaking water in on your stuff. And then for additional climate control, you do have the Mach 8 AC unit with heat strips. So you do have the ability to heat and cool this unit as well. Backside, the RV lock does give you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. You guys can lock it from the interior, so you can see that. Here's all of your switches to control your interior and exterior lighting. And again, 7-foot interior height. It's going to give you guys just over 6'6" at the rear ramp door, and most UTVs will fit in here no problem. So 3-year factory warranty. This unit weighs, I believe, 4,000 pounds. You're going to have about a 5,500 pound payload capacity. We'll have all those exact specs on the website for you guys. Again, getmytrailer.com. We ship. If you guys aren't here, no worries. We can ship the trailer right out to you. We can give you a shipping quote to do that. And again, be sure to like and subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube, and check us out again at getmytrailer.com.